guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, yes, I have bangs, but that's not what I'm going to vlog right now. I'm going to make an outfit out of eco bags. So without further discussion, let's get into the video. So the materials I will be using for this project are, of course, eco bag and another eco bags. And of course, I need a hot glue and also the scissor and the garter. Oops, I forgot the double-sided tape. So here I just cut it the eco fabric and remove the unnecessary pieces which is I will not be using on my project. So also I came up with idea which is I kind of like a V-neck or a V-line and add some collar which is in different eco fabric. So I kinda snip and snip to remove the necessary part that I will not going to use in my project, and I need this strip later. So I set aside my top and I will do it later because I need another fabric which is another eco bag in another fabric. Well, I will not cut that part because this is my channel. I'll do whatever I wanted to do. So I just need the printed part of the eco bag. So I will remove the logo. Sorry, Alphamart, but thank you for letting me use your eco bags, and Godbless. So I am alone right now, that's why I can't totally say what I wanted to say in this project. So unlike my other voiceover on my other videos, I'm like this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Okay, so I want to speak English language. I want to learn it because I need it on my course, even though I'm not good at it. So, okay, where am I now? So yes, I'm doing my skirt, still doing my skirt, and I'm trying to figure out how will this skirt will fit me perfectly because yes, it fit my legs, but it doesn't fit my waist or it doesn't accentuate my shape. Yes, I have a shape, everyone has a shape, and everyone is beautiful. Just stay in there, honey. So I came up with this idea, but I have to replace it with another idea because it doesn't fit me and it's hard for me to walk with it. So I have to replace it with this old shirt that I cut into skirt. And yes, I just cut the eco fabric without even thinking the result. And yes, it was short on me. Good. So, but I found this on the floor and it was so dirty, but I think it would help on my project so that I cut it and paste it on both sides of the skirt. So I thought of making the back of the skirt full red, but unfortunately, yes, it fit my legs, but it doesn't fit my waist. So I decided to finish my skirt later, but for now I'll finish my top first. So I'm gonna add a collar in floral design, and I'm gonna do a little snip on the V-line and polish it, and jaran, so cute. So the only problem I have right now is the back of the top. So I make a fold here and cut it or snip and snip and snip and snip and snip and snip. And yes, jaran, that's my baby. And I add the piece of the strip inside the snips that I made. Just like that, and I repeat it on the other side, and voila, we are done. Not yet done. So I had to glue the strip and I'm just going to add the shoelace because it's short. I don't have a red ribbon, so I will use this. So I add the ribbon and make a pattern like XXXX what do you call that pattern? I don't know, but I call it XXX because of the cross pattern, I think. and yes, I just realized that the collar is inverted. I'm not yet done at the top. I need sleeves, a puff sleeves. So I cut this eco fabric again, eco fabric, and into two. And I just realized that I need the Alphamart. I need this Alphamart logo because I don't have enough fabric at all. So sorry Alphamart, shout out to you. God bless. So I just cut it and replace it with another strip because I'm gonna add the garter on it. So I just hot glue it because I don't have a needle but I have a thread. Weird, right? So I make a fold here and glue it again. And dyan, ganyan lang. And jaran! I know it looks like nothing, but later you will see it will be a cute sleeve. So I just turn the garter into strips, but they are still garter. So I add this strip in the sleeves and tie it just like that. I just repeat it on the other side and on the other sleeve and just like that. And jaran! They look like lantern. The hat has no lace at all, so I decided to add this leftover eco fabrics around the old hat. I just hot glue it and done. And this coin, I will use this as my buttons because I don't have buttons here, so I decided to make them but using coins. So I make a little snips here for the buttons. I also made cutouts from the eco fabric, floral eco fabric, and they are so cute. They are like just stickers, and I will just paste it here in the sleeve and on the other sleeve and on the back of the skirt. It's super cute, but it's not yet done, and we'll go to the sleeve and cover it with another eco fabric because I just realized that logo isn't worth it at all. So yeah, let's just cover it. Buttons are super cute here. I just love them, but I have to change my skirt because the waist isn't that fit and I have to use this satin. So yes, I have to start again the skirt and I have to do this again, the buttons, because I can't just let them because they are super cute and I just really love them. So I use this satin and tie it in front, as you can see. And yes, at the back, I just kinda insert it. And jaran, I have no that big part. So I just kinda mark them and jaran are the super cute buttons. I'm just super in love with them. They are so cute. So I just hot glue it, but unfortunately, I'm out of glue. So I decided to double-sided it, but I'm out of double-sided tape. Great! So I turn the double-sided tape, the leftover double-sided tape, into two strips and paste it on my skirt, and I just paste it also on the satin. So I don't call satin a fabric because there is a designer who said that it's not a fabric but a fiber. And yes, I don't know what is a fiber, and I just called the eco bag a while ago a fabric, even though it's not a fabric, or it's not a kind of a fabric. Yes, great. How cute is this cross lace at the back of my skirt? This is from my old prom dress and I decided to add the cutouts. I know it's okay without cutouts, but I still decided to add it because this project is all about recycle. And finally, I'm going to try it on. Are you guys ready? And jaran! This is the outfit I made out of eco bag. So, quick story, when I was little, until I grow up, I am being awarded. And can you guys guess what award is that? Yes, a platinum award. So I am being awarded by being plat. How cool is that, right? Anyway guys, what do you think about this outfit? Is this a Christmas kind of outfit or a Valentine's kind of outfit? This is the first time I made and recycled the outfit, so I think it's related to this code. The first time is always the hardest by Sherwan Shadow. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!